Introducing PMS Module Employee Perspective by Pocket HRMS. Pocket HRMS Comprehensive Performance Management Module with seamless 90 degrees, 180 degrees and 360 degrees appraisal. The module also enables employees to set their own goals for appraisal. In this video, we will learn about the PMS module focusing on the employee's perspective. So, let's start with logging into the Cloud Portal. Once we log into the Cloud Portal, we need to click on the Settings menu from the left-hand side. To create various stages for the appraisal, we click on the Appraisal Stages subtab. From the Employee-Wise dropdown, select the employee code. We can click on the plus icon to create a new stage. The stage is an appraisal cycle. We enter the stage name, such as a quarterly review, monthly review, or the name of the month if it is a monthly review. Then we can select the date range for the appraisal cycle here. Next, we enter the order number and from the active field select yes or no to activate the appraisal. Even if we create multiple stages, only one stage can be active at one time, so we make the stage active and click on the Save button and the stage will be added. If we want to copy the same stage to all employees, we go to the Appraisal Stages subtab, select the employee for whom we have created the stage, and simply click on the Copy to All Employees button. To set the grading matrix, we need to click on the Grading Matrix subtab, select the value from the dropdown and click on the View button. Then we click on the plus icon and a pop-up will open. We can enter the grading range, status, enter details as required and click on the Save button. Then again, we select the same employee, click on View and click on the plus icon. Fill the values for the range, status, details, and percentage and click on the Save button. We can repeat the same steps to create multiple grading ranges. To add the same grading matrix for other employees, we select the employee, Click on the View button and click on the Copy to All button. We click on the OK to confirm, and the same grading matrix will be added for other employees as well. Let's move on to Appraisal Stage Settings. For this, we need to click on the Appraisal Stage Settings subtab and select the employee and stage name from the respective dropdown. Then we click on the Add button for the employee option. From here we can add various options such as the comment section or upload file option for the appraisal form. We need to fill in details such as field name, field type, field size and the label name. Then we can also select if the field is mandatory, select level as stage-wise or question-wise and click on the Save button. Similarly, if we need the Upload option field we can click on the Add button again. Fill in the details, select field type as file upload, then continue to fill in other details and click on the Save button. We can continue to create other fields following the same steps. So, if we need similar options for the manager we click on the Add button here. Fill in the details as required and click on the Save button. Repeat the steps to add more fields for the managers. Similarly, we can scroll down to add fields for KPIs and admin. We have other settings options, from where we can select options to display ratings or to hide any ratings from employees, from managers and more. Once we did all the settings we can click on the Save button. If we want to copy these settings for all employees, we can simply click on the Copy to All button and the same settings will be copied for all employees. To define parameters, we click on the Appraisal Parameter subtab. There are certain goals that employee has to set and, in the parameters, we can define such options. So, here we select the employee followed by the stage or appraisal cycle. Then we select the parameter as potential or performance, select the subparameter as required, enter marks and click on the Add Parameter button. Similarly, we can add another parameter for the other parameter type, add details and click on the Add Parameter button. In this way, we can add parameters so the total marks add up to the 100 and click on the Save button. Once we do all the settings, we need to ensure that we set a manager for the employee. For this, we search the employee and go to their profile. We can go to the Approval Matrix tab, and click on the plus icon. We can select the manager from here, check the box for the appraisal option and click on the Save button. The manager for the appraisal will be assigned for the employee. Once a manager is saved we can log into the employee's ESS portal. Click on the PMS menu, select Request and then click on the My KPI Question tab and we can click on the Submit KPI button. Here we can see the Leadership Goals and the Personal Goals tabs. As an employee we can add leadership goals here. Click on the Add button and continue to add more goals. Similarly, we click on the Personal Goals tab to add personal goals. Once we are done adding goals, we can save it as a draft or click on the Submit button. Once an employee submits the goals it goes to their manager for approval. After the manager approves it the rating process will begin. As we are setting a 180-degree appraisal process, so, let's log into the manager's ESS portal. The managers also receive the notification that employee KPIs are submitted. Similarly, as a manager, we can go to PMS, select Request and click on the KPI Manager Approval tab. We click on the Review button. Here we can see the goals added by the employee. Manager can enter their remarks and click on the Approve button. Employees will also receive a notification informing them that their KPIs are done by their manager. If we click this notification it will take us to the My KPI Questions page. Now we can go to the PMS menu, select Request, click on the Performance Review tab and then click on the Submit Rating button. So as an employee, we can rate ourselves here. We can also upload any supporting files if needed. We scroll down to see this field that we configured in the stage setting from the Cloud portal. We can provide our response here and move to the personal goals. Similarly, we provide our ratings here and then we submit the ratings. We can also save it as a draft if needed. Now we can log into the manager's portal to approve the ratings. So, again manager gets a notification informing them that the employee has submitted the ratings. We go to the PMS, select Request and click on the Employee Appraisal tab. Here we can see the status is up for review and we click on the ratings. As a manager, we can provide our ratings here. If we scroll down we see the Manager Review option here. Once we are done we can submit the ratings. Once the ratings are submitted, as a manager we can also check the report. For this, we go to PMS, click on My Team Report and select the Appraisal Report. We can see the employee's name here. Let's click on the View button. Here, we can see the status. We can download the report in Excel or PDF file. So, for the PDF report, we select PDF report followed by selecting the new Detailed Report option and click on the download. We will get the report here. we can click on the download icon and the PDF appraisal report will be downloaded. We can open the report to check the ratings. We also have multiple Excel reports. Let's select a detailed report and click on the download and we will get the report in the Excel format like this. Similarly, we can download the summary report form here. We also have a new detailed report, where we have all the average ratings for all the employees. That's how we can access various appraisal reports. We also have a bell curve option. The bell curve appears when we have a certain number of employees. We can do the settings for the bell curve from the cloud portal. For that we go to the Settings, Appraisal V2 tab and click on the Define Bell Curve option. It will appear like this. We also have a ratings normalization option here. We select the appraisal period. Right now, we have a single employee. In case we have multiple employees, the bell curve will appear here accordingly. In case we need it, we can set up the option here. We can add the calibrated ratings according to our company criteria, and the final ratings are the ratings we get from the software. We also can change the calibrated ratings for the employees if required, to ensure accurate results. Finally, to view the bell curve distribution, we need to select all the employees, and then click on the View button. The bell curve will be generated below the table. This way, we can conduct a comprehensive appraisal from the employee's point of view using the Performance Management module of Pocket HRMS. We also have options to set various types of appraisal and seamlessly get the reports and bell curve. If you have any queries, reach us at support@pocketherms.com. Thank you.